Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College.
Welcome students. Now let us see few more examples on inverse of a matrix. Now this is different type of examples what we have studied before. From that these are different type of examples. So let us take the first example. You can see on the board there are two matrices A and B of order 2 given to you, and you have to verify that A into B inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Okay. So now let us start by solving the LHS. In LHS, what do you see? First you have to find A into B inverse. So let us start finding A into B first. So A into B will be equal to matrix A is 2, 3, 1, 2 and matrix B is 1, 0, 3, 1. Yes, so we know that for matrix 1 we have to go row wise and for matrix 2 we have to go column wise. So let us start. 2 into 1 is 2 and 3 into 3 is 9. So 2 plus 9 here. When first row, first column is over, first row, second column. 2 into 0 is 0 and 3 into 1 is 3. Okay. So first row with first column and first row with second column is over. But let us move to the second row. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 3s are 6. Then 1 into 0, 0 and 2 1s are 2. So what is A into B equal to? A into B is 9 plus 2, 11, 0 plus 3, 3, 7 and 2. This is your A into B. Now we have to find A into B inverse. Yes, your LHS is A into B inverse. So let us use adjoint method, which is more easier to find the inverse of the matrix. For that, first we need to find determinant of AB. So what will be determinant of AB? Determinant of this matrix, that is 11, 3, 7, 2. So this is equal to 11 2s are 22 minus 3 7s are 21. So answer is 22 minus 21 is 1. So determinant of A into B is 1. Now as there are 4 elements in the matrix A into B, you will have 4 minors and 4 cofactors. So let us find the minors and cofactors. M11 means you eliminate the first row and first column. Your value is 2. And what will be the cofactor? A11 will be equal to minus 1 to the power addition of these two number and column into M11. So what is the answer? 1 plus 1 is even power. So 1 into 2 is 2. So cofactor is 2. Now next you have to find M12. Means you have to eliminate first row, second column. So answer is 7. And what will be the cofactor? A12 will be equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into M12. So 1 plus 2 means odd. So minus 1 into 7 is minus 7. So second cofactor is minus 7. Then first 1 to 1 1 and 1 2 is over. Then 2 1. So second row, first column elimination. The remaining element is 3. That's why M21 is 3 and A21 will be minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into M21. Again 2 plus 1 odd power, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. The last minor, that is M22, second row, second column eliminate, answer is 11 and A22 will be equal to minus 1, 2 plus 2 into M22, which is equal to same answer 11 because 2 plus 2 is 4. So what is the formula for inverse? AB inverse will be equal to 1 upon determinant of AB into adjoint of AB. Yes. So first, what will be the cofactor matrix? Cofactor matrix of AB will be, write the cofactors in matrix form. So 2, minus 7, minus 3, 11. Okay, so this is the cofactor matrix. After the cofactor matrix, we will write the adjoint of matrix AB. Adjoint means it will be transpose of this matrix, that will become 2 minus 7 minus 3 and 11. That is, you have to interchange the rows and columns. So what will be now AB inverse? So AB inverse equal to determinant of AB is 1 and adjoint of AB is minus 7, 11. Yes, so AB inverse is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 7, 11. Name this as step 1. This is your LHS. Okay. Now next, what was your RHS? You have to prove this is equal to B inverse into A inverse. So let us find A inverse and B inverse. So matrix A I have written here. What will be determinant of A? 2, 3, 1, 2. 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So determinant of A is equal to 1. Now next we will find the minors and cofactors of A. So M11 will be equal to, eliminate first row, first column, element is 2. Then A11 will be equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into M11. That is, it will remain same, even power. Yes? Yes. So first minor we have found out. Let us continue. M12. M12 means you have to eliminate first row, second column, which is equal to 1. Cofactor will be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into M12. 1 plus 2 odd power, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Then M21. M21 means second row, first column, value is 3. A21 minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into M21. Odd power, answer will be opposite side. Then M22 will be equal to second row, second column elimination, which is equal to 2. A22 will be equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into M22. Even power, answer will remain same. So you have found out the 4 minors and 4 cofactors. Now let us write the cofactor matrix. What will be the cofactor matrix? Write the cofactors in matrix form. 2 minus 1 minus 3 2. So this is your cofactor of A. And what will be adjoint of A? Adjoint of A will be equal to, interchange the rows and columns. So 2 minus 1 minus 3 2. This is your adjoint of A. What will be A inverse? A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Determinant of A is 1. So answer of A inverse is just adjoint. It will be 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. So this is your A inverse. First let us find what is B inverse. For that, first we need to find determinant of B. So 1 0 3 1. 1 into 1 is 1, 0 into 3 is 0. So again answer is 1. Yes. Now we will find the minors and cofactors. M11 is equal to first row, first column. First row, first column, answer is 0. Eliminate one. It is 1. A11 is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into M11. Even power, so answer will remain same. Then M12 is equal to first row, second column, answer is 3. A12 will be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into M12. Odd power sign will get changed, so minus 3. Then M21, second row, first column elimination, answer is 0. And A21 minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into M21, again answer remains 0. Then M22 will be equal to second row, second column, answer is 1. A22 will be equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into M22. Even power, answer will remain same. Yes. So what is the cofactor matrix? Cofactor matrix is 1 minus 3 0 1. And what will be adjoint of B? Interchange the row and column. 1 minus 3 0 1. So this is your adjoint. So what will be B inverse is equal to? B inverse equal to 1 upon determinant of B into adjoint of B. What is the adjoint of B? Determinant of B is 1. inverse will be 1, 0, minus 3, 1. So this is your B inverse. 1, 0, minus 3, 1. So this is your A inverse and this is your B inverse. What you have to prove in RHS? You have to prove B inverse into A inverse to find out. So B inverse into A inverse is equal to, first write the matrix B inverse, 1, 0, minus 3, 1 into 2 minus 3 minus 1, B inverse into A inverse. So let us multiply. 1 into 2 is 2, 0. Then 1 into minus 3 plus 0. Then minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 and minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 3 is 9 and 1 plus 1 into 2 is 2. So what is this equal to? 2 minus 3 minus 7 and 11. This is your B inverse into A inverse. So this becomes your step 2. So previously you can see from 1 and 2, A into B inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Previously you can go and see in step 1 also you have got the same matrix 2 minus 3 minus 7 11. Hence you have proved that A into B inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Now let us see the next example, that is matrix A is given to you 4, 5, 2, 1 and you have to prove that A inverse is equal to 1 by 6 into A minus 5I. What is I? Identity matrix, and of which order you will take? Same as order A, that is order 2. Okay, so first let us find A inverse. So A matrix is 4, 5, 2, 1. First we will find the determinant of A, that is 4, 5, 2, 1. 4 ones are 4 and 5 twos are 10. Sorry. 4 minus 10 is minus 6. So determinant of A is minus 6. Now minus and cofactors M11 is equal to, eliminate first row, first column, answer is 1. Cofactor will be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into M11. Order will remain, value will remain same because addition of the power is even. Then M12 will be equal to first row, second column elimination, answer is 2. A12 will be equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into M12. Odd power sign will get changed, so answer will be minus 2. Then M13 will be equal to, sorry, M21. Second row, first column elimination, answer is 5. A21 will be equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into M21. Again odd power sign will get changed. So this will become minus 5. Then M22 will be equal to second row, second column, answer is 4. So A22 will be equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into M22. Even power addition value will remain same. Yes? Therefore, what will be the cofactor matrix? It will be equal to, write the cofactors, 1 minus 2 minus 5 and 4. What will be adjoint of A? Interchange the rows and columns. 1 minus 2 minus 5, 4. So what is your A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So this is equal to 1 upon minus 6 into 1 minus 4 minus 2 and 4. So your A inverse is minus 1 upon 6 into 1, 5 minus 2, 4. If you want, you can multiply the minus sign inside. What it will become? 1 by 6 I will keep common out. See, in your lectures also 1 by 6 is there. So I can keep 1 by 6 common out. Inside you multiply this minus sign. So what this will become? Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 5 is plus 5. This will become plus 2 and this will become minus 4. So this becomes your A inverse and you can name this as step 1. So determinant, cofactor, adjoint, inverse of a matrix, multiply the minus sign inside so that you get 1 by 6 into this matrix. Now next what you have to find on RHS is 1 by 6 into A minus 5I. What it is? So 1 by 6 into A minus 5I. What it will be? 1 by 6 I will keep as it is outside. Then I will use bracket. I will write first matrix A. What is matrix A? 4, 5, 2, 1 minus 5 into identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay? And close the bracket here. Yes, first we will do the scalar multiplication here. 1 by 6 that is outside. Then A is 4, 5, 2, 1 minus multiply 5 inside. 5 into 1, 0, 0, 5. Yes, and subtract. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. And 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Yes, so what is this? This is 1 by 6A minus 5I. Then this is step 2. So look at step 1. What is the A inverse? 1 by 6 minus 1, 5, 2 minus 4. And what is 1 by 6, 5, A minus 5I? 1 by 6 minus 1, 5, 2, 4. You can see. So from 1 and 2, A inverse is equal to 1 by 6 into A minus 5. So you have proved this. Okay. So let us move to the next example. So in this example, find matrix X such that equation is given. A into X equal to B and matrix A and B are given to you. Now how to solve these type of sums? First you have to take the given equation. AX equal to B. Now you have to find matrix X. We have not studied division of matrices. So what we have to do here? We have to pre-multiply by A inverse. So A inverse into AX equal to A inverse into B. Matrix multiplication is associative. So you can write A inverse into A into X equal to A inverse into B. The definition of inverse of a matrix, A inverse into A is I into X equal to A inverse into B. Therefore, what is X equal to? A inverse into B. So if you find A inverse and if you multiply A inverse by B, you will get the matrix matrix X. So let us first find what is A inverse. For that we will first find determinant of A. So determinant of A is 1, 2, minus 1, 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. That becomes plus 2 is equal to 5. So determinant of A is 5. Then minus M11 will become first row, first column elimination 3. Then A11 will be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into M11, which is equal to again 3 even power. Then M12 will be equal to eliminate first row, second column, it is minus 1. A12 will be equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into M12, which is equal to sign will get changed, odd power addition 1. M21 will be second row, first column elimination 2. A21 will be minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into M21. Sign will get changed, odd power addition. Yes. And last element is M22. Eliminate second row, second column. Answer is 1. Co-factor will remain same because 2 plus 2 is 4. Even power addition. So answer will remain 1. So what is the co-factor matrix here? Co-factor matrix is equal to 3, 1, minus 2, 1. Yes. Then adjoint of A will be equal to interchange the row and column 3, 1, minus 2, 1. So what will be A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A, that is 1 upon 5. Determinant of A is 5 into 3 minus 2, 1, 1. So this is your A inverse. Finding A inverse we will find X. What is X equal to? A inverse into B. So 1 upon 5 into 3 minus 2, 1, 1 into B is 0, 1, 2, 4. 1 by 5 I will keep as it is and multiply these two matrices. So row and column. So 3 zeros are 0, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Then 3 ones are 3, minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. Then next 1 into 0 is 0, 1 twos are 2. Then 1 into 1, 1 and 1 fours are 4. So this is equal to 1 upon 5 into minus 4. 3 minus 8 is minus 5, 2 and 5. So this is your matrix X. So since we have not studied division of matrices is not there. So what we have to do here? We have to use multiplication of matrices. So if you want to find any unknown matrix, either you can pre-multiply or post-multiply by the inverse of a matrix and you can find the unknown matrix.